think everybody in our industry has an aha moment where they first see the technology and where they realize its potential. And I was in Munich, walking around the MTU plant, and my tour guide said, "Let me show you something." And he opened a door to a room, and I saw a bunch of EOS M270 printers, and I said, "Wow." And I realized at that point that that's what I wanted to do for the rest of my career, is to adopt that technology into commercial aviation. It's really only in aviation where you have such high value metal parts that are produced in scale and produced in high volumes. In aviation, you can have a small part that's about the size of your hand, and if it's manufactured properly, if it has the quality certs behind it, it is a pretty valuable piece of metal. If it doesn't have those, it's just a paperweight. For us, the focus has really been on how can we demonstrate to our customers that we are meeting their quality requirements. And we've done that by investing in all of the resources that we have now at Sintavia, which are laboratories, our furnaces, all the accreditations, the quality management system. And that's really what differentiates us. The numbers all support the fact that we are right at the tipping point of not 20 parts or 30 parts, but hundreds, if not thousands of parts. And in order to meet that demand, we have to have the facilities in place, and that's what we're trying to do here in Hollywood, Florida. I see the end-to-end solution for software as being incredibly important, because you can't have a bunch of people running around with these different technology software silos, entering data and moving and making changes. It just doesn't work. We have always been very impressed with the suite of software that we've gotten from Siemens. Certainly has taken a lot of the inefficiency out of the process. One, it reduces the chance of human error. Two, it reduces the time it takes from when you get the first file to when you get the last file. And three, especially for our aviation customers, it allows a much greater audit trail. Ultimately, everything has to be focused on how many parts can you make in high quality each month. And this software helps us do that better.